What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been, I think, about a week since I've posted my last video due to, of course, the Christmas holidays, spending time with family. I haven't had much chance to update the YouTube channel here, but this is what I'm doing today. And we're going to look back at the week leading up to Christmas. Right now, this is December. A lot of, talk in the trading community is about December and whether it is viable to trade due to low volume and the holidays, businesses, banks closing during this time. But we've managed in the private Telegram to continue trading basically and make profit. And I'll show you guys that in a second. But we're just going to break down some of the trades from last week. So I think on the 21st of December and the 22nd, I believe, or 23rd, one on gold, one on GJ. And yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, we're going to look at GJ right here. Sorry, that was my alarm set on my phone for a closure here on gold, so a 2-hour closure. So I'm just going to check that, and we might actually enter a trade here on gold in a second. Let me just set an alarm, make sure that comes through. Don't want to get sidetracked here, but yeah, did that set? I think it's just being slow. But anyway, let's get back to GJ, right? So like I said, a lot of talk in the trading community on whether December is viable to trade, and we've been trading right through, and this was a trade taken on GJ on the 21st, right? 21st of December, so just last week. And if I scroll back up through here on the private Telegram, you will see right here, 21st of December, trade idea GBP/JPY, entry 181166. You can see the stop loss provided and take profit also. And then I update saying 60 pips profit so far, moving stop loss to 181666, which is this stop loss that you see right here. So previously it was above this 2-hour candle right here, and then I moved it lower, and then I moved it to break even. So we're managing risk throughout the trade while we're in profit. And then we can see I posted a picture of the profit currently as the trade was running. Then I say GBP JPY hitting 72 pips profit, and then moving GJ stops to break even at 181166. So that's when we moved to break even, because we was 72 pips in profit at that point. You don't want the trade to come back and end up hitting your stop loss after you've been 72 pips in profit. That just doesn't seem logical, doesn't make sense. We are a lot in profit. We want to start managing risk. We want to make sure that this trade now is risk free and we don't end up actually losing money after we was actually making so much money, right? So that's what we did. Move stops to break even, and then you can see price came all the way back up to just before our entry, so before our break even. And this is why I encourage people to use brokers that have raw spread accounts, and that's what I use. So I use FP Markets, and they have a raw spread account, and the spreads are actually so small, they're barely even a pip for most of the trading sessions. They do slightly go up during the market open, so once that day finishes and the new day opens, new daily candle opens, the spreads do tend to go up a little bit, but I don't trade during that time anyway, so it doesn't matter. And I'm sure most of you won't, as that is like the start of Asian session. But yeah, use a broker with a raw spread account so that you don't get stopped out during situations like this, right? So price just missed our break even and then continued bearish with a big rejection wick. And that's when I said GJ survived the break even. You can see that's when I posted my trade still, so to show you guys, or show the private Telegram that I'm still in that trade. And then boom, right? Price hitting take profit, right? So 1 to 2 in the end, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Beautiful trade, right? Beautiful trade. And this was just based off simple market structure. We have a nice resistance formed from this previous lower high in the market. Resistance, double top, price starts to reject and move bearish. We look at the 8 hour time frame, which is a very key time frame for me. We can see that price is also making those highs, lows, lower highs, lower lows, etc. Right? Lower highs, lower lows. So we can see the structure from the 8 hour time frame candles, bearish, right? Overall structure is bearish, right? Because we've broken these key levels over here. Sold to the downside, retraced, made a lower high, continued bearish, making a lower low, lower high. And then I was anticipating again that price would come in here and create a lower low down into here. Hasn't happened yet, still could potentially happen. But lots of signs showing bearish market structure, bearish momentum, bearish volume. What I mean by bearish volume is you can see these 8 hour candles. Look how they're closing, right? They're all closing very strong bearish, right? Not much rejection wicks at the bottom. They're all closing very strong bearish candles, right? We had this rejection wick here, but came all the way up, rejected bearish, right? Closed bearish, and then we continued. So I was looking for sales below this level of structure that was created. So we had a support formed right here. And then I was anticipating that once this pullback was complete, and then we can see a bearish engulfing candle from the 2 hour time frame, right? This candle right here, bearish engulfing, starting to rip price back down. I had my sell stops 10 pips below this support level, below the lowest wick, or 11 pips or so. And then once price got triggered here, we started moving stops lower and lower until it was break even, until we were risk free, and then price hit take profit. So that was the trade from the 21st of December. Beautiful trade. And you can see the total profit right there in the end was $1,553.57, minus commission. We just had about $1,539 there. So that was the GJ trade. Beautiful trade. Happy with that. 1 to 2 in the end. We managed risk. We managed our trade accordingly. We didn't, I didn't end up exiting the trade here once price started coming back up, or taking profits early. Once you see a tiny bit of profit, it's like, oh my God, I'm 30, 40, 50 pips in profit. I'm just going to take the profits right here, right? We moved our stops to break even so we could manage our trade, and then we let it hit our take profit level, which is very important, right? We have to let the trades run their course. Otherwise, it's not going to cancel out the losing trades, right? So if we're taking profits early, and we're always taking profits early, you can take 3 trades where you take the profits early, and then you can have 1 losing trade where you let it hit your full stop loss, and then you've lost all of that, all of those profits and all of that momentum, and then you're back to square one, right? So we have to let the trades run their course and hit the take profit levels that we intended. And, this way, this is how we're going to be profitable in the long run and consistently in the future, all right? So that was the GJ trade. Like I said, $1,553.57 total profit in the end. And moving on to gold. I'm just looking at this potential gold trade here, right? From the 2 hour time frame. I might send this out to the private Telegram here. Let me have a look. Stops would be quite big though. We're looking at around about 65, 70 pips. So I reckon 70 pip stop, 140 pip take profit. Something like that here on gold, I think. I'm actually going to send that out to the members. I don't know why my computer is so slow at the moment. Copy link. actually just gonna set that on my phone real quick. I'm not sure what it's. You know what? We'll move on. I'll send it out in a second. Let me just post that real quick. Gold trade idea. Buys. Entry. The entry. 2065. 2065124. Zero, 6, 5. No, I'll just manually enter it in a second if we get triggered here. So the gold trade that was taken here on the 22nd, if we go back up to the 22nd, right here, you can see I say going long on gold. And then just after that, 10 minutes later, 36 pips profit, moving stops to break even, and then take profit hit on gold here for 80 pips. So that was this trade right here. And as you can see, you know, very simple again, market structure is very clearly bullish. We have this massive move up, which breaks out of these previous highs over here, as you can see, right? So boom, breaks out, makes a new high, breaks these highs. Let me just move that there. Pulls back and starts creating a support and trending back to the upside, right? And then again, price was creating this resistance. But when the price is bullish, when market structure is bullish, trend is bullish, price action is bullish, these resistances, these levels in the market will get broken. You can't just look at a resistance all the time and think price is going to reject it. It depends on the market structure and the trend at the time. And if it is bullish, then that resistance is likely going to get broken. And that's exactly what happened, right? We had, if we go to the 8 hour, we can see again, we have lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and so on. Bullish market structure from the 8 hour quick time perspective. And we also had a 12-hour type 3 bullish candle pattern setup. So as we can see here, bearish candle, 2 bullish candles, and we're taking that third candle up. This is a type 3. If you guys want to learn more about the type 3 and how I trade and my strategy, I teach that in my academy. So click the link below for the Forex with Cody Academy, and you can join up there. You will get access to follow all my trades, a gold scalping course, and also education channel, Discord, and there is an ebook coming soon as well on you guys, which is going to be easier for you guys to learn my strategy and my system. So yeah, that was every, you know, like I said, market structure, trend, volume, momentum, price action, candle patterns, all showing bullish signs. And we had a resistance that was likely to get broken. So I set my buy stops 10 pips above that resistance and entered the market, targeting, I think it was a 1 to 0.4 risk reward ratio in the end for 64 pips was where I took profit, but it ran for the whole 80 pip take profit level there. So that was the gold trade, and if we take a look, that was the profit there for the gold trade, 932.46, and ended up the week on $1,229.51 profit after some of the trades taken, which didn't hit take profit. Here our stop loss, right? And as you can see, look at the losing trades, right? And then look at the winning trades. The winning trades are significantly bigger than the losing trades, right? $43, $300, $700 was a little bit big, but then look at the winning trade, 1,553, and then a losing trade, 289, and then a winning trade, 932. So looking at these, you know, the winners versus the losers, this is what is key on becoming profitable, right? And becoming consistently profitable is risk management, trade management, and that is also something I teach in my academy as well. But you can see a snapshot of that from this private Telegram, from what I've showed you, how I talk the members through moving stops lower, moving stops to break even, and things like that. So yeah, can you trade through December? You certainly can, right? This was right around the Christmas period, a couple days before Christmas, the week ending. We still managed to make over $1,000 profit, trading profitably, consistently with the members here. So it can be done. You just need to learn trade management, risk management, not over leverage, not get greedy, not, you know, don't be stupid, be mature, be smart, be calculated in your approach to the markets. And you guys, I'll show you guys some of the losing trades here. No, it's not that. It would be here. This was one. This is, as you can see, I didn't let price hit my full stop loss right here. As you can see, right, this is where I took profits once price started breaking bearish structure. So we had our stops in place, you know, for the beginning of the trade, but then we got triggered in. This candle closed bearish, and then this next candle broke that previous low. So I just closed the trade right there, right? Boom, closed the trade. That was gold. And that was probably, where is it? Probably one of these here. You can see gold, 318 or 289. It's probably one of those. And the same here, right? So close the trade here once price broke that previous candle low. Full stop loss, didn't get hit. We're managing risk, we're managing our trade. This one was where my stops actually got hit right here, and as you can see, price actually look how much price actually continued bullish there, right? In my direction. So stop, that would have been gold, the full take profit, the full stop loss here right there, $705. That would have been that one. But those were the losing trades there, as well as the winning trades. So yeah, with proper risk management, we can be profitable through December, through the Christmas period, as you can see, as I've shown you guys. But that risk management, trade management is key. Letting your winning trades run, hitting your take profit, and closing your losing trades earlier, right? That is the key here. And if you guys want to learn, I teach, like I said, I teach all this in the Forex with Cody Academy. If you guys are interested, hit that link down below, come and join us, check it out. And you know, we will guide you along your Forex trading journey and to the promised land. But yeah, sorry, I'm a bit not as energetic in this video. I'm very tired. I've had a very busy Christmas. I literally haven't stopped since like the 23rd, 24th. Just people over, barbecues, you know, family gatherings, like everything's been crazy. And I've still got, you know, still going right through until the 27th. I'll be going to a family's within the next couple of hours. We're going to be having a meet up there. But yeah, crazy period. I'm very tired, but the grind continues and the trades potentially continue right here with gold. Let's see how this one works out. But yeah, thank thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. We'll be updating the YouTube. 2024 is going to be massive. I'm really looking forward to this year. We've really started, really just started this movement and this momentum in like kind of like the mid half of 2023, and it's really started to pick up here towards the end of 2023. So I feel like 2024 is just going to be massive for us here in the Forex with Cody community. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to that. Thank you to everyone here on YouTube who has been subscribing lately. We've reached 1,000 subs. The channel's growing nicely. You guys' your support is massive. I appreciate it. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, helping us grow. 2024, it's going to be our year. Trust me. All right, watch out for that. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Merry Christmas. Stay safe. Have fun. If I don't see you before the new year, Happy New Year. Don't get too drunk. Don't be stupid. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, which is probably not much. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.